this is Jen at the West Deptford Free Public Library. We are going to have our tween and teen grab and goes again. We'll be starting once a month in October 1st of 2021. It'll be our book page grab and go. You can come into the library anytime after October 1st and grab one while supplies last. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a very quick and easy project. This is it. It's a Garland with ghosts made out of book pages. We use discarded books for this, damaged, really old, out-of-date books. And when you come in the library, you can pick up a package at the circulation, and it has the directions with the supplies you need. We give you some of the supplies, and then you have your own supplies like pencil, scissors, tape, things like that. And you get a template. You can either use this ghost or this ghost. Or you could mix it up, I guess, and use both. What you're going to do first is you're going to get 5 book pages. You can make 10 ghosts out of this. 5 and 5. A ghost on half. Each half. Now whatever side you trace on, you're going to use the other side to be the front of your ghost because you don't want pencil marks on it. So I traced one here already. I'm going to trace one down here. What you can do is just cut it in half and then hold your pages together and cut 5 at once. This is very easy to cut. And then see, this is the pencil side. I flipped it over. And if you want, you can, you want to put all your ghosts the same direction. So whichever way you want to do it, well, you can do it any way you want. I think it looks better all in one direction. You're going to cut them out. You're going to use a black marker or Sharpie and draw eyes. You can put the mouth as well, like this, or just do the eyes. These eyes are round. I like to do my eyes more like an oval. I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay. I already started my garland, which is what I showed you in the beginning. So you only need to make a couple more. You have enough to get 10 ghosts on. You can put more, you can put less. Maybe even squeeze a third out of the book page if you wanted to. I haven't tried that. So I'm going to put a couple more on here. Now we're going to tape them on the back. When we've done other book page garlands, we've rolled it and taped it. Now you can do it that way, but I didn't want to mess up the ghost's head and have his head be like smashed. So I just taped it on the back. Since we're taping it directly on the back like this, if you want to, you can measure the distance between each ghost. I did about 6 to 7 inches between each ghost. You don't have to do this. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. You don't have to do this. This is just how I did it because I want them to be evenly spaced, but it's not necessary. So just approximately 6 inches. You could do 5, you could do 7, you can do it however you want. Make it yours. And then just tape it on the back. Oh, sorry, I have to do that so you can see it better on camera. And then I'm going to put one more. So you're just putting the string kind of in the area of the eyeballs from the other side. And just use tape and tape it on. And that's it. Then you have your ghost book page garland. And hang it up wherever you like. Happy Halloween!